Hey, Jacob here from ABC Window Supply. Today we're taking a look at a brand new device that we're carrying from Edelrid. It's called the Fuse, a backup device rope grab that's perfect for high-rise window cleaning, rope descent work, and rope access. Now before we get started, it's important to note, info in this video is accurate as of date of filming, but as always, to get the most up-to-date information, go to the manufacturer's website and check out their instruction manual. Also, this video is not a substitute for proper training. It's up to you to make sure you and your crew get the training you need. Now, the Fuse backup device is meant to be used with the diffuser lanyard. They're sold separately, but they connect semi-permanently with a bolt at the top. Now, the Fuse backup device has two modes. I currently have it in the locked mode, so it will go up the rope, but it won't come back down. Now, with the flip of a switch on the back, I can change it into self-trailing mode. I then push this green piece on the bottom to the side, and you'll see it locks out of the way. And now it will go up and down with me as I go up and down the rope. It does this super smoothly, which is good news because this lanyard is very short. So when I connect it directly to my harness, it's good that it's going up and down so smoothly, so I'm not going to have to be constantly adjusting it. With the flip of a switch, I can put it back into lock mode. Now it goes up and doesn't come back down. Now the Fuse will lock up if it starts to move too quickly in case of a fall. So I have it in self-trailing mode right now, and you can see it's going up and down. But if I start to move it too quickly, it will lock into place. If I activated that accidentally, I can reset by moving it up the rope slightly and then clicking this green piece to the side. Now it's returned back to self-trailing. Next, let's take a look at how to actually put the device on the rope and take it back off. So when I pull the arm down, you'll see that there's a button to the side. If I push the button in, the entire faceplate swivels to the side and locks in place. I can now pull it off of the rope. To put it back on the rope, I'm going to put it in the self-trailing mode and push this green piece to the side. It now slides onto the rope, and with a little bit of pressure, I can push the faceplate to the side to close it. Just watch your fingers when you do this, make sure you don't get pinched. Now the Fuse is meant to be used with 10 to 12 millimeter kern mantle rope, which includes 7/16 inch. That's the most popular size used in high-rise professional window cleaning. So that was a little bit about the Fuse backup device from Edelrid. For more information or to purchase, check out our website. And as always, thanks for watching.